The 2018 Camry XLE Hybrid has been completely redesigned and features edgier styling, automatic LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and the added benefits of hybrid drive. From the back, the new Camry looks upscale with a shark fin antenna, hybrid badging, energy-absorbing window glass, and the large trunk offers plenty of luggage carrying capacity. This sleek sedan looks amazing in platinum white pearl with color-matched mirrors and door handles, and Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems are standard. Inside you'll find a comfortable cabin with contoured leather power heated seats, push-button start, dual-zone climate control AC, power windows and locks, cruise control, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, and a premium JBL audio system with an 8-inch screen, navigation, Entune 3, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, and an energy monitor. A longer wheelbase increases legroom for passengers, and you can fold the seat backs down to carry larger items. Power comes from a combination 2.5-liter gas hybrid electric synergy drive system mated to an automatic transmission. The 2018 Camry Hybrid is sure to impress with a wider, longer, and lower stance, along with the increased fuel savings of a hybrid drivetrain. Call today and be one of the first to drive one home.